Hello, English learners. Welcome to Native Camp. My name is Teacher Kath, and I am from the Philippines. I am a certified ESL teacher with over 3 years of experience, working both in the classroom and online. I work with students of all ages and all levels, from beginning to advanced. In my lessons, I assure you that it will be fun-filled and engaging, and you will not memorize list of vocabulary. Instead, you and I will discuss interesting topics and practice language that you actually want to use. I guarantee you that after one of my lessons, you will already feel more comfortable speaking in English. So, I hope to see you in my classroom soon. Matane! Goodbye!